Have you ever found yourself endlessly navigating automated phone menus, desperately trying to reach a real person at a state office? You're not alone. Many people struggle with this common challenge, especially when urgent questions or complicated issues arise. In this video, we'll walk you through practical steps and insider tips to help you connect with a human representative at a state office. Whether you're dealing with DMV concerns, unemployment benefits, or other government services, these strategies will save you time and frustration. Let's get started by understanding why it's often so difficult to reach a live person in the first place. Most state offices use automated phone systems to manage high call volumes. These systems are designed to route calls efficiently, but they can also make it difficult for callers to reach a human. Automated menus often require you to select from a list of options, and sometimes none of the choices fit your specific need. Understanding how these systems work is the first step toward navigating them successfully. In the next scenes, we'll share techniques to bypass these menus and connect with a real person. Before you call a state office, it's important to gather all the necessary information. Have your case number, social security number, or any relevant documents ready. This preparation not only speeds up the process once you reach a representative, but can also help you navigate automated prompts more efficiently. Being prepared ensures you won't have to call back or waste time searching for information while on the line. Not all state offices have the same contact numbers for every department. Visit the official website of the agency you need to reach and look for the specific phone number related to your issue. Some offices have separate lines for different services, such as driver's licenses, benefits, or records. Calling the correct number increases your chances of reaching the right person quickly. Timing can make a big difference when trying to reach a human at a state office. Try calling early in the morning or later in the afternoon, avoiding lunch hours and Mondays, which are typically the busiest times. Off-peak hours often mean shorter wait times and a higher chance of speaking to a representative without long delays. When you call, pay close attention to the automated prompts. Sometimes, the option to speak with a representative is hidden under submenus or listed at the end. Don't rush through the menu. Listen for keywords like customer service, operator, or representative. These are often your ticket to reaching a real person. A common trick is to press 0 repeatedly or say representative or operator when prompted. Many automated systems are programmed to transfer you to a human if you use these commands. However, this doesn't always work, so be patient and try different variations if needed. Sometimes, automated menus offer a long list of options that don't apply to your situation. If possible, avoid selecting options that will lead you in circles or to recorded information. Instead, choose options that are most likely to connect you to a live person, such as other services or speak to an agent. Many state offices now offer online chat support on their websites. This can be a faster way to reach a human, especially if phone lines are busy. Look for a chat icon or a Contact Us section on the agency's homepage. Chat agents can often answer questions or connect you to the right department. If you can't get through by phone, consider sending an email. Most state offices have dedicated email addresses for different services. Be sure to include all relevant details in your message, such as your full name, case number, and a clear description of your issue. This increases the chances of a prompt and helpful response. Some state offices are active on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. These channels can be useful for quick questions or updates. Look for verified accounts and send a direct message or comment on their posts. Social media teams are often responsive and can direct you to the right contact. If your issue is urgent and you're unable to reach someone by phone or online, consider visiting the state office in person. Check the office hours and any appointment requirements before you go. In-person visits can sometimes resolve issues more quickly, especially for complex matters. Some state offices offer a callback feature, allowing you to leave your number and receive a call when a representative is available. This can save you from waiting on hold for long periods. Listen for this option in the automated menu and follow the instructions carefully to ensure your callback is scheduled. If you reach a voicemail, leave a clear and concise message with your name, contact information, and a brief description of your issue. Speak slowly and clearly. Representatives often return calls in the order messages are received, so providing all necessary details can speed up the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't reach a human on your first try. State offices can be busy, and it may take several attempts before you connect with a representative. Try calling at different times of day, using different contact methods, and following up as needed. Persistence is often key to getting the help you need. Keep a record of your contact attempts, including dates, times, and the names of any representatives you speak with. This documentation can be helpful if you need to escalate your issue or prove that you've made multiple efforts to resolve a problem. It also helps you stay organized and track your progress. If you're not getting the help you need, ask to speak with a supervisor or manager. Be polite but firm in your request. Supervisors often have more authority to resolve complex issues and can sometimes expedite your case. Don't hesitate to escalate if your problem remains unresolved after multiple attempts. As a citizen, you have the right to access government services and receive assistance. If you feel you're being denied service or treated unfairly, research your rights and consider filing a formal complaint. Many state offices have ombudsman or customer service departments dedicated to resolving such issues. Many states have centralized online portals where you can access a variety of services, submit forms, and track the status of your requests. These portals often include contact information and FAQs that can help you find the right department or answer your questions without needing to call. Before calling, review the frequently asked questions section on the agency's website. Many common issues are addressed there, and you might find the answer you need without having to wait on hold. This can save you time and effort, especially for routine questions. Some state agencies have mobile apps that allow you to manage your account, submit documents, and even chat with representatives. Download the official app from your state's website or app store and explore its features. Mobile apps can provide a convenient alternative to phone calls. If English is not your first language, many state offices offer language assistance services. Listen for language options in the automated menu or request an interpreter when you reach a representative. This ensures you can communicate your needs clearly and receive the help you require. State offices are required to provide accessibility services for individuals with disabilities. If you need accommodations, such as TTY services or assistance for the hearing impaired, mention this at the beginning of your call or look for information on the agency's website. Accessibility ensures everyone can access government services. Before you reach a representative, write down your questions or concerns. This helps you stay focused during the call and ensures you don't forget important details. Being organized makes the conversation more efficient and increases the likelihood of a satisfactory resolution. It's easy to get frustrated when dealing with automated systems or long wait times, but staying calm and polite increases your chances of getting help. Representatives are more likely to go the extra mile for courteous callers. Take a deep breath and approach the conversation with patience. While speaking with a representative, jot down important information such as names, reference numbers, and instructions. These notes will be valuable if you need to follow up or reference the conversation later. Good note-taking helps you stay organized and ensures nothing is overlooked. Always ask for a reference or case number at the end of your call. This number is essential for tracking your request and can speed up future interactions. If you need to call back, providing this number helps the next representative quickly access your information. If your issue isn't resolved after your initial contact, don't hesitate to follow up, reference your previous call, provide your case number, and politely ask for an update. Consistent follow-up demonstrates your commitment and can help move your case forward. If you're still having trouble, consider reaching out to advocacy groups or local representatives. These organizations can sometimes intervene on your behalf or provide additional resources. Don't be afraid to seek help if you're not getting the answers you need from the state office directly. State offices sometimes update their contact methods or hours of operation. Regularly check the agency's website or social media for the latest information. Staying informed ensures you're using the most effective ways to reach a human representative. Knowing how a state office is structured can help you navigate to the right department. Larger agencies often have multiple divisions, each handling specific services. Understanding the structure allows you to direct your inquiry more effectively and avoid unnecessary transfers. If you know the extension of the person or department you need, enter it as soon as the automated system allows. Direct extensions can bypass general menus and connect you more quickly to the right representative. If you don't know the extension, ask for it during your next call. Don't rely on just one method of contact. If phone calls aren't working, try email, online chat, or even fax if available. Using multiple channels increases your chances of reaching a human and getting your issue resolved promptly. When you finally reach a representative, be prepared to verify your identity. This may include providing your full name, date of birth, address, or case number. Having this information ready speeds up the process and ensures your privacy is protected. Long hold times are common when calling state offices, especially during peak periods. Be patient and consider using a speakerphone so you can multitask while you wait. Some phone systems provide estimated wait times, so you know what to expect. State offices must follow strict privacy and data protection policies. Don't be surprised if representatives can't share certain information over the phone. Respect these rules and provide only the information requested to protect your own privacy as well. If your issue is urgent or has legal implications, don't hesitate to escalate your request. Ask for a supervisor or file a formal complaint if necessary. Knowing when to escalate can make the difference between a quick resolution and ongoing frustration. After your issue is resolved, consider providing feedback through official channels. Many state offices have surveys or feedback forms. Your input can help improve services for everyone and may even lead to better systems for reaching a human in the future. Government offices sometimes change their procedures, contact numbers, or hours. Subscribe to newsletters or alerts from the agency if available. Staying informed ensures you always have the latest information and can adapt your approach as needed. Some offices use automated callback systems to manage high call volumes. When offered, opt for a callback instead of waiting on hold. Make sure your phone is nearby and charged, and answer promptly when the call comes through to avoid missing your turn. Some state agencies have local branch offices that may be easier to reach than the main office. Check the agency's website for a list of locations and contact numbers. Local offices can sometimes provide faster service and more personalized assistance. State offices typically operate during standard business hours, but some may have extended or limited hours for certain services. Always check the agency's website for current hours before calling or visiting. This helps you avoid wasted trips or calls outside of operating times. Reaching a human at a state office can sometimes be a test of patience. Remember, persistence pays off. Keep trying different methods, stay organized, and don't give up. Your efforts will eventually connect you with the help you need. Let's quickly recap the most effective strategies for reaching a human at a state office. Prepare your information, use the right contact methods, call during off-peak hours, and be persistent. Don't forget to document your attempts and escalate when necessary. With these tips, you'll be better equipped to navigate the system and get the help you need. Navigating state office phone systems can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can reach a human and resolve your issue. Remember to stay calm, organized, and persistent. Government services are there to help you, and with these strategies, you'll be able to access the support you need. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your next call.